If you need to reopen a closed American Express account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your closed account, including your account number, the reason for closure, and any correspondence you receive regarding the account. Step 2. Contact customer service. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Explain your situation. Once connected with a representative, explain that you would like to reopen your closed account. Provide them with the necessary details and the reason for your request. Step 4. Follow instructions. The representative will guide you through the process. They may ask you to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Follow their instructions carefully. Step 5. Confirm reopening. After your request has been processed, ask for confirmation that your account has been reopened. Make sure to check your online account or wait for a confirmation email to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the process of reopening your American Express account. Good luck!